So today is the day we're gonna do, somebody asked me, I wanna make steamed fish, and I go on YouTube, I see so much different people doing it so much different ways. So I said, yeah, there's a lot of ways to do steamed fish. There's more than one way. So they asked me for a recipe. So this is my steamed fish recipe. So this is where I'm gonna start. This is a red snapper. Real big. This is my lime, lemon lime. I cut that one to wash the fish. This one is used to wash the fish. Over here, I have chocho. I have chopped chocho. A lot of people don't know what is a chocho. If you know chocho, this is my chocho right here. This is my carrot, chopped carrot. Okra, nice chopped okra. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper. Optional, based on how much spices you love. You can put a little piece, you can put a full one based on how you love your spice. Tomato. Garlic. Ginger. Green bell pepper. Red bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. Onions. Turnip. Some people put pumpkin, some put turnip. There's so much things you can use based on the full course meal you're making. I'm making a full course meal. Green onion, scallion. Scallion, some people call it green onion. Optional. This Maggi fish seasoning, optional. Optional. Salt. Some people use these ones. Some people use these ones. Some people make their homemade one. This is my homemade. I make my own homemade season. So this is optional, whichever you want to use. Pimento. We're ready now to get the ball and roll. Oh, sorry, one more thing. Green banana. That's my recipe for my steamed fish. So I'll be back at it again. First thing, these chopped, you put a pot with the water. I pour the chocho in the water, a little bit of water in the chocho, the carrot, the okra, the green banana, the turnip. Those go into a pot. So I chop them, wash them, put them in the stove to boil for a short period of time. The fish is in a separate pot because these vegetables take a while to cook. You don't want your vegetable to overcook. You don't want them to be undercooked. So I boil the vegetables for 3 to 5 minutes. Boil. Then the fish is seasoned and in its own pot. Then I pour it over on top of the fish and turn the fire on underneath the fish with everything inside of it. That's my homemade seasoning, natural ingredients, and I added a little of the Maggi fish with it. So that's my fish sitting right there. bell pepper, onions, scallion, green onion, tomato, this bottle is not for the fish, it's to press, drop ginger, press, drop garlic, a few pimento allspice, that's a few pimento. I already boiled some in the vegetables I boil. I put some inside, I put a few there, I cracked. Scotch bonnet pepper, I just drop one. So this is the chocho and the carrot, the banana, the turnip, the okra, and a few pimento with garlic and ginger. So I just pour it over the fish. I don't love too much spice, and I'm the one who's gonna eat this. So I didn't cut my pepper. I just washed my pepper and dropped it inside for flavor. Then this ripe Scotch bonnet is very spicy. I already washed, so I just chopped small portion of this. I don't like spice, so small portion I just chopped and put inside of it. So that's a bit spicy, and that one is for the flavor. So now I'm gonna do this one in the oven. You can do it on the stove top. If you do it on the stove top and you have your big pot, you put your fish, you do it like this. Put it on top of the stove, cover it. After cover it, you leave it to cook for 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, and medium flame. Not too high flame. But I'm gonna do this one in the oven. So I wrap it with foil paper for this to sweat so the steam stay inside, and just put it in the oven. So here it go. All the juice around it. So this one I wrapped with foil paper and put in the oven. You do it on the stove top in your pot. You leave it on the pot 7 to 10 minutes. Cooked. Not overcooked. That's the ending of the steamed fish. And as I spoke earlier on about the pepper, for people who love spicy, you love extra spice, that's Scotch bonnet, very, very hot. So this is a full course meal again. So finish it. See you in the next video. Up and thankful. Bye.